What's up, you guys? Today I'm going to be making glow-in-the-dark slime, and what you're going to need for this is 4 ounces of Puffle glue, which is Elmer's glue. I don't know why Karina Garcia calls it that, but I'm going to be making that, and basically right now I just need a bowl right here, and then I'm going to set that aside, and then I need to take this, and I need to put 2 of these. Which is hard to do. Okay. There we go. Now I can just pour that in there and scrape it out. Drop. There we go. Now I have to pour another. Whoa. That's sure a lot of glue. I don't know how this is gonna go. She said add baking soda. Yo, I do not have baking soda. Usually I do, but I don't. Okay, I'm gonna set that right there. I'm gonna put the cap on the glue. And then now she said 4 ounces of glow-in-the-dark stuff. I don't have like glow-in-the-dark stuff from the store. I have it from a kit that I got from the store. I know that this is, I know what I have to do here now. Wow. Let me put this. Okay. Now I can grab it. What is this? 2. It's gonna turn like yellow. Well, that's my favorite color, so I have no problem. There we go. And then I'm gonna mix this in. And it looks very weird. I can't wait to see what this looks like. Okay, so now I have to add my borax first. I'm just going to add like a little bit of my borax. She did not say how much borax. I'm just going to add that much. And then I'm going to add a contact form solution. That much, and I'm just going to add a little bit of contact lens solution. I don't know how much she said, but I don't really care until it forms. It's turning. Wow, that's weird. It just forms randomly. Now, a little bit more contact lens solution. 5 minutes, alright? Oh. Oh, it's my brother. It's turning. Yay. It's actually turning. I can't wait to see what it looks like when it turns. Here. This is the whole entire blob. It's turning actually pretty big. Ooh, it's so good. Wow, this is actually, it just came off the spoon like, oh my god. It's coming off the spoon. I think it's time to mix it with my hands because look, it's coming off my hand too. I'm gonna put like a little bit of more actually. That was a lot. I might pour some back in. There we go. In the comments, I want you to say, oh my god, Lily, your slime just glowed, like, wow, like, glowed very good. Just, like, say, oh wow, Lily, your slime glowed really good. Like, in the sunlight. Say that. Because I want to see how much comments that says in the comments down below. Ooh. It looks white, but it isn't. Here. It's really stretchy too, like, see, but like, it's not done yet. It's not fully done yet because like, you have to get it actually done. This is fun. Oh, this is just like slime. It's glowing. It glows. For sure. Just get it into the light. And there you go. It's actually really good. It's really good slime. See how good that pops too? Like, and it doesn't even feel like sand. Like, literally, look at this. It has no bubbles in it, exactly no bubbles, and then, like, it just makes a lot of noises, like, but it's not bubbles, because, seriously, I'm wearing glasses. That probably was. But you can make bubbles in it, like if you go like this, and like make one, but then like other than that, no bubbles. Wow, this is actually really good. I love this slime. I don't think I'm gonna give this away. It's more like a fluffy slime too. So like, just look at it. It holds its shape. See? Like, it holds it. Because then, if it was regular slime, it would just go like that and then down. But this one, it will like hold its shape like this. Still have it. See, it just holds it. It keeps on holding it. So this is actually really good. I want you to comment down below, and in my right now, I'm gonna go to the bathroom and see how good this glows. Let's see how good this glows. Okay, walk in here. Wow, you can see it. Well, I can, at least. See that? It's glowing. See that? It's glowing. You guys, this glows. Not kidding. Not kidding you. Watch. See this? It's a rough light. Like, it probably doesn't look like it in camera, but like, if the camera picked it up good enough, then it would. But like, wow. This is a very good sign. I like it. Comment down below, subscribe, and hit the notification. Hit that bell, just comment down below and all that. And follow me on Snapchat. Rose, Rose Cordelli. Just spell Rose, and then maybe it will pop up. And yeah, so comment down below. Follow me on Snapchat if you haven't. Bye. Subscribe and comment down below. Hit the thumbs